p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For tonight, river...
in support of the tornado drill for Severe Weather Awareness Week in Wisconsin. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. A warning alarm transmitted over this and other NOAA radio stations in southern Wisconsin will normally be activated for watches, warnings, and other life-threatening emergency messages for transmitters across Wisconsin. This is only a test. There is no severe weather threat currently across Wisconsin. This concludes our test.